3, 2, 1.
Which animal would you associate with the Porsche logo? The answer is A. Horse. The quokka is native to which continent? The answer is D. Australia. What was the name of Drew's major female nemesis on The Drew Carey Show? The answer is A. Mimi. I'm not alive, but I make life better. What am I? The answer is D. Medicine. I have a stone heart and taste sour. What am I? The answer is A. Lemon. What was the name of the Dada teacher in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows? The answer is A. None of these. I separate two continents and have a tunnel under me. What am I? The answer is A. Bering Strait. Which vehicle was the first to cross Antarctica? The answer is D. Haglund BV 206. Which company introduced the first microprocessor, the Intel 4004, in 1971? The answer is D. Intel. Which word best describes the speed of a car that has a positive velocity and a negative acceleration? The answer is C. Decreasing. What was the occupation of the person after whom the human sideburns were named? The answer is B. Soldier. Which of these statements is not true about pears? The answer is A. They promote allergic reactions. What is the coldest continent on Earth? The answer is A. Antarctica. What was set at exactly 12:00 UTC on January 1, 2000? The answer is A. Year 0000. I'm always hungry. I must be fed every day or I die. The more you give me, the less I have. What am I? The answer is C. Ambition. What is Fidel Castro's real name? The answer is B. Fidel Alejandro Castro Ruz. Which artist recorded the song Blue Suede Shoes before Elvis Presley? The answer is A. Carl Perkins. How many short films and features did Laurel and Hardy appear in together? The answer is B. 106. What explains how day and night occur in different parts of Earth? The answer is A. Earth rotates on its axis. What carnivorous mammal is a symbol of Italy and of its capital city, Rome? The answer is B, wolf. Who was the first president to serve under the U.S. Constitution? The answer is A, Washington. Of the following properties, which is the most expensive in the board game Monopoly American Edition? The answer is D, Pacific Avenue. I can make you travel through time, under the sea, or to distant galaxies. What am I? The answer is D, movie. What is the protective gear used in boxing called? The answer is B, gloves. I have a heart that beats but cannot feel love. What am I? The answer is A, clock. What is the oxidation state of chlorine in HCl? The answer is B, +1. What has many keys but can't play a single note? The answer is D, typewriter. I'm open morning and night, but never tired. What am I? The answer is D, book. What type of energy is stored in an object because of its position or shape? The answer is B, potential. Which object is least likely to have any light pass through it? The answer is A, a dog. I have strings but no voice. What am I? The answer is A, guitar. I'm round, red, and bounce. What am I? The answer is A, apple. From which part of the world do sweet potatoes originate? The answer is C, South America. The vector of what organism is significant on a map showing the location of malaria? The answer is A, mosquito. If a person remotely controls a machine to do something, which of these is required? The answer is B. These are all incorrect. Which particle has no charge and is not made up of other particles? The answer is A, neutron. I can be up to date, but cannot be used up. What am I? The answer is A, news. I'm often full of wind, but can't talk. What am I? The answer is C, kite. Which programming language was originally developed at AT&T Bell Labs in the mid-1970s? The answer is A, C. What kind of family is Homie a part of? The answer is A, a collisional family. What kind of bond doesn't form molecules, but instead forms crystals? The answer is A, ionic bonds. The Dead Sea is a saltwater lake shared by which two countries? The answer is B, Jordan and Syria. It's used for catching, but can't catch anything. What am I? The answer is A, net. Reasoning can be broken down into two categories, deduction and The answer is C, induction. I have a lot of lives, but no face. What am I? The answer is A, Pac-Man. Where is chlorine gas produced? The answer is A, at the anode. What ocean borders Australia's eastern coast? The answer is B, Atlantic. It's not nice to fool Mother Nature was the advertising slogan for which product? The answer is A, chiffon. Which programming language is used in Python? The answer is A, Java. On which comedian's popular TV show did Don Adams become a regular?